Rich, Sam Hersom here at Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. I wanted to thank you for your email requesting more information about the 2014 Hyundai Genesis we have here right next to me. It's a beautiful car, well maintained, so I figured I'd give you a quick video tour of the car because it's kind of tough to see what a car truly looks like in pictures. Like I said, this car is beautifully maintained and really floats down the road. Unbelievably smooth, cabin is well insulated. One of the options that it does feature is thickened windshield and insulation up front to help quiet the ride for a very comfortable experience going down the road. As we go down the side, we can see the beautifully styled body lines. As V zooms in on the front wheels, you can see that they are brand new Michelin snow tires, so driving in the Maine winter will not be a problem. It does have keyless entry, so as long as the fob is in your pocket, you can simply put your hand in the handle, press the button, and it will unlock. Around back, you can see the chrome accenting, dual tailpipe, and Genesis badging. Okay, now let's head inside and I'll show you a few things in there. Now that we're inside, we can take a look at a few things in here. As I mentioned and we saw, it is a gray exterior and it does have a black leather interior. Very well taken care of and manicured. This car does have a few extra features. We do have a sunroof up top that is power tilt sliding. That's an excellent feature about this car. We do have plenty of storage, for example here in the armrest. A power outlet down there, USB, all kinds of things to hook your phone up. Further on up, we do have the dual cup holders here that you can close for a little bit of a cleaner look. Heated driver's seat and passenger seat in this particular vehicle, so that's a nice feature. More power points up here, along with more storage there. Further on up, we do have DVD player. Just above that, we do have the climate control, dual climate control, passenger and driver, along with all your other climate control features. Up top is the main screen for the infotainment center. That is touchscreen, and this does, of course, come with navigation, as you can see there. Take a quick drive around the parking lot. Things may get a little dark because it is rainy and cold today, but this car, yeah, it was beautifully maintained, has a little over 47,000 miles, and I'd love for you to come on up and take a look in person and see what a nice car it is. Take it for a test drive. Okay, now if you'd like to get a hold of me, you can reach me on my cell, which is 207-831-7391, or at the office, 207-510-2250. All right, thanks.